Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. Begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Huawei. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both devices. And when it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up. Let's start with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your Android screen and go into Huawei to set it up. Firstly, click on I accept and confirm. Then continue. And lastly, allow. Now it's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Huawei. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. You can also tap on this scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Huawei's camera at the code. Then wait as well. If you see this kind of pop-up, just tap on wherever you want to and then select Close this window. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!